Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Venetian stands as one of the most ambitious resort projects ever built in Las Vegas, drawing directly from the landmarks and visual identity of Venice, Italy. The property opened in 1999 on the former site of the Sands Hotel and was developed with the goal of recreating a version of Venice that blends recognizable architecture with the scale of a modern mega-resort. The exterior establishes the theme immediately with its reimagined versions of the Doge Palace, the Rialto Bridge, and other Venetian façades. The structural details, the patterned stonework and carved balconies, the arched window lines, and the symmetry of the palace facade were built in full size, making the resort one of the largest architectural recreations in Las Vegas. This frontage establishes the setting even before stepping inside. Inside, the Venetian continues its homage to Venice with an extensive network of themed spaces designed to resemble classic Italian architecture. The grand colonnade, made with its marble floors and classical columns, sets up the transition deeper into the property. Throughout the interior, large fresco-styled ceiling murals, detailed cornices, sculpted columns, and patterned marble floors create the impression of a carefully curated European setting translating into resort scale. One of the resort's major features is the system of indoor and outdoor canals. These canals run past recreated facades modeled after Venetian buildings, complete with balconies, archways, and stonework that mirrors the original structures overseas. The indoor canal winds through the shopping promenade, designed to represent a stylized version of Venice's narrow streets and plazas. High above it, the ceiling is painted as an artificial sky that shifts tone through a controlled light cycle to replicate the feeling of daylight indoors. The resort's design also incorporates replicas of well-known Venetian landmarks. The St. Mark's Square area recreates the atmosphere of the original, with columned arcades, balcony facades, and open plaza-style space surrounded by shops and restaurants. The goal was to create an immersive architectural environment rather than a simple themed corridor, and the scale reflects that intention. In addition to its architectural elements, the Venetian is recognized for its size and scope. Together with its sister property of the Palazzo, it forms one of the largest hotel complexes in the world, featuring thousands of suites, convention spaces, restaurants, and entertainment venues spread across multiple interconnected structures. The property's large-scale design places it among the major resort centers of the Strip, offering a blend of theme, luxury, and architectural spectacle. The Venetian represents a particular era of Las Vegas development, one where resorts were built not just as casinos, but as destinations that functioned as environments of their own. The attention to detail, the engineering behind the canals, and the extensive architectural recreation works together to produce one of the Strip's most distinctive resort identities.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.